Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Tiar Adela Putri with student ID number 2341152 from is class management 23B. Here I will be explaining about leadership. Basic concepts, meaning and models of leadership. Definition of leadership. Leadership is the ability of a person to influence, direct, and motivate others to work together in achieving common goals. The main focus of leadership is influence and direction, not just formal position. Basic characteristic of leadership. He's a clear vision, able to motivate others, effective communication, integrity, and honesty, able to make quick and accurate decision. Difference between leader and manager. A leader focus on vision and change, while a manager focus more on process and stability. A leader inspires and motivates people, while a manager tends to control and direct. Leadership is more people oriented, while management is more desk oriented. Leadership are usually willing to take risks, while manager focus on minimizing risks. Leadership models. Some basic leadership model commonly used include 1. Trait theory, 2. Behavioral theory, 3. Contingency theory, 4. Transformational and transactional leadership, 5. Situational leadership. Trait theory. Leadership is based on innate traits or characteristics. A person is considered a leader because they possess certain qualities such as confidence, courage, honesty, and intelligence. This theory focuses on what the leader is, not what they do. Next, behavioral theory. Focus on the behavior of leaders, not their innate traits. There are two main leadership styles. 1. Task-oriented, focus on completing tasks and achieving goals. 2. People earn, focus on building relationship and team satisfaction. Example: Ohio State and Michigan studies on effective leadership behaviors. Contingency theory. There is no single best leadership style for all situations. Leadership effectiveness depends on 1. Leader characteristic, 2. Follower characteristic, 3. The specific situation or context. Example, Fiedler contingency model, which aligns leadership style with the situation. Next, transformational and transactional leadership. Transformational leadership inspires and motivates the team to exceed expectation, focus on change, vision, and innovation. Example of a transformational leader, Steve Jobs. Transactional leadership based on ethics, rewards for performance, penalties for failure, suitable for organization with formal structure and routine tasks. Next, this study begins with the question of Whitehead Western. Leadership theory is where is Asia contribution to this theory of leadership? Studies show that the theory of ASEAN leadership is local and influenced by the cultural influence of ASEAN local community. Harmony and stability are the essence of local culture. The leadership process is voluntary collectivity and is in a traditional or informal social structure. The effectiveness of leadership is more concrete with aspect of guarding and achieving an atmosphere of harmony and stability. Fourth, Hermor Western leadership theory is built from an organizational perspective that is competing to gain resource and maintain the organization. The West leadership process is mechanical, formal, and transactional. Leadership activities is the ability to win the competition and defend itself in a strong position. In the competition, the difference in the approach to ASEAN and Western leadership theory are in line with the concept of low context and high context perspective. This is also in line with the contingency approach for effective leadership. The study states that the position of ASEAN and Western leadership theory is the same. Both groups of theories are on a practical level that emphasis contextual conformity, the globalization paradigm has strengthened Western influence, hegemony about effective leadership. However, this dominance will be theory according to the human perceptive or learning organization because of the contextual conformity. On the other hand, modern society has a stigma over the concept of local leadership above. The things above reinforce the dim role of local leadership in modern Asian society itself. Leadership is a process of social influence which is life that affects other lives, a force that influences the behavior of other employees towards achieving certain targets that the organization has expected. Every activities or work performed by an employee is driven by a force itself. This driving force is called motivation. Work motivation of employee is leadership, company or organization. The behavior considered simple and can also be problem in a company. Leadership comes from the word leadership. Leadership greatly affects the development and progress of the company. Leaders will play an active role in building teamwork in the company. Therefore, leadership cannot be separated from the organizational structure with the company. A qualified leader directs management function well, so being a leader is not only talking but also directing and supervising. Leadership is responsibility, modeling, not mere power. In leadership, leader must be polite, honest, and fair, take responsibility, and provide an example to their subordinates in running an organization or company. Leadership is the process of influencing others to understand and agree on what needs to be done and how to tasks can be done effectively, and the process of facilitating individual and group effort to achieve common goals. Based on the above understanding, it can be concluded that the success or failure of the company in achieving leadership is goals depends on the ability of the leadership of the organization in directing, monitoring of the performance of resources and their working tools so that their user takes place effectively, efficiently, and economically. Motivation is basically a factor that energizes someone to do a certain activity. Therefore, motivation is often interpreted as factor driving on behavior. Every activity that a person does must have a factor that drives the activities. That's all my explanation ln it here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.